It's 10:45 right now, and I'm right next to the Kotel, and this is today's Fish and Aish Flash. As you can see, the Kotel is pretty packed on both sides. Today we celebrated Rosh Chodesh, the beginning of the new month, and that means Shavuot is just a few days away. Pretty excited for an amazing holiday. We're gonna have the group in town, so I'll be teaching a class right here at the Kotel at 3 a.m. It's tradition to stay awake all night on Saturday night for Shavuot, which is a 2-day holiday, celebrating our excitement and our enthusiasm to not sleep because we're about to get the Torah. So I'll be teaching a class. We'll see what it's about yet. I think I'm going to teach about my adventure principles, how to live the most purposeful life and how to find your purpose. We'll work on it though. Today was a great day. I took my test and I think I aced it. We'll see when the grades come back, but people were telling me how hard his questions were. But in the end of the day, nothing's hard if you're prepared. Also, it's a little bit hard, but it was good to be prepared and to feel prepared and just to breathe and relax. Besides that, we had a special final lunch of the boot camp with Coach Ratner about public speaking. It didn't really have to do much about public speaking as much as I would have liked, but the messages were great. I definitely learned a lot, and I really appreciate working with Coach and getting to know him so well. Afterwards, we met, talked about the podcast, and I gave him some tips, and we watched Tim Ferriss' How to Make a Podcast. It's something great if you're thinking about doing anything, starting anything. It's a good episode, and he just knows what he's doing. So it was very valuable to watch this 18-minute video. I think we both learned a lot, and hopefully our podcast improved tremendously as a result. After that, kind of just chilled. I mean, that took us all day. It was a pretty full day of learning. I learned a little bit more and then more on my own. And I think that sums up my whole day. Thank you so much for watching. Live your wow.